with a high efficiency mini split by COSTWAY from Amazon. Today we'll be replacing the old Dynaglow. Here's a quick look of what was in the boxes. And here's a quick look of a few other things we'll be needing for the install. Real quick view of the head unit when wiring. They're labeled, so 1 goes to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and ground. Very simple. Now that we've got the indoor unit installed, we'll head outside and get started out there. This is what it looks like sticking through the outside wall. Okay, so we've got our electric hooked up and we've got the wires hooked up to the indoor unit. We've got the copper lines hooked up and we're right now running a vacuum. We'll let this sit. We'll give it 30 minutes. It'll let us know if there's any leaks. We got the mini split installed. We've got the heat set to 80 on high. Here's the remote that it comes with. It's blowing nice and warm. I'll take you outside so you can see the outside running. Here's a quick look at the outside. Very quiet. It is fall here in Minnesota, so we do have leaves everywhere. I'll report back later this winter and let you know how it does when it gets cold.